Dear students, Assalamu alaikum. Hope you are fine. Today our topic is write the numbers. 7. S-E-V-E-N 7. Write it. 7. 10. T-E-N 10. Write it. 10. 12. T-W-E-L-V-E 12. Write it. 12. 15. F-I-F-T-E-E-N 15. Write it. 15. 19. N-I-N-E-T-E-E-N 19. Write it. 19. 20. T-W-E-N-T-Y 20. Write it. 20. Here another activity in this page. Write the missing numbers. 15. What comes after missing number? 16. 17. 18. 19. 20. 21. 22. I hope you understand this lesson. Respected parents, please help your child to complete this activity. Take care. Allah Hafiz.
Dear students, please subscribe our channel, press the bell icon, like, share and comment the videos. Thank you very much.